Hello viewers, today I'm here with another interesting topic. Before we discussed that what is international trade, today we will discuss the types of international trade. So first of all, we'll discuss introduction and what is import trade, export trade, foreign direct investment, and licensing and franchising, and in the last conclusion. So first of all, introduction, understanding the different types of international trade. Welcome to our presentation on understanding the different types of international trade in today's globalized economy. It's more important than ever to understand how business and countries engage in trade with each other. By the end of this presentation, we will have a solid grasp of the different types of international trade and why they matter. International trade can be complex, but it's also fascinating, from exporting goods and services to investing in business overseas. There are many ways for companies to expand their operations and reach new markets. We will explore all of these topics and more in the coming slides. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of international trade. So first of all, we will discuss the export trade. Export trade is the act of selling goods or services produced in one country to buyers located in another country. It is an initial part of the international trade and it allows business to expand their customer base beyond their domestic market. There are several reasons why businesses should consider exporting their goods or services. Firstly, it can help them increase their sales and profits by reaching new markets. They can tap into new sources of revenue and reduce their dependence on their domestic market. Secondly, exporting can help businesses diversify their customer base and reduce their risk of economic downturns in their home country. Finally, exporting can lead to economic of scale, which can help businesses reduce their production costs and become more competitive. Now, after import trade, buying goods and services from other countries. Import trade refers to the process of buying goods or services from other countries. This type of international trade is important for businesses and consumers alike, as it allows them to access a wider range of products and services than they might be able to find domestically. For businesses, importing goods or services can help them reduce costs by accessing cheaper materials or labor. It can also help them expand their product lines and reach new markets. For consumers, importing goods or services can provide access to unique or high quality products that may not be available locally. Now, the third is the foreign direct investment, investing in business in other countries. Foreign direct investment (FDI) is a type of international trade where a company invests in and manages operations in a foreign country. This can include setting up new facilities, acquiring existing businesses, or forming joint venture with local companies. FDI is important for businesses because it allows them to access new markets, resources, and talent. It also helps them diversify their operations and reduce their risks. For example, a technology company based in the United States may invest in a startup in India to gain access to the country's large pool of software developers and expand its customer base. Licensing and franchising, allowing other businesses to use your intellectual property. Licensing and franchising are two types of international trade that allow businesses to expand their reach and revenue by allowing other companies to use their intellectual property. Licensing involves giving another company permission to use a trademark, patent, or other form of intellectual property in exchange for royalty, payment, or other compensations. Franchising is similar but involves giving another business the right to use your brand name, business model, and other proprietary information in exchange for an initial free and ongoing royalties. So this is the last but not least conclusion, maximizing the benefits of international trade. In conclusion, it's clear that understanding and engaging in different types of international trade can bring numerous benefits to businesses and consumers alike. Export trade allows businesses to expand their customers' use of base and increase profits, while import trade allows consumers to access a wider range of goods and services at competitive prices. Foreign direct investment can provide business with new opportunities for growth and diversification, and licensing and franchising can allow them to monetize their intellectual property. By taking advantage of these different types of international trade, businesses can maximize their potential and achieving long-term success. So this was the whole the topic of types of international trade. And thank you for watching.